we will have to add or subtract rational expressions with the same denominator, and we will do that as follows. Because the denominators are the same, we will be able to hold that common denominator in each of these cases and simply have to add the numerators and re-express it. So 3 over 12x plus 4 over 12x equals 7 over 12x. 7 and 12 do not share a common factor, so we cannot simplify this fraction or this rational expression any further. Here we have the same idea, except we're going to need to be careful. Since we have a denominator of 2 and a denominator of 2, our simplified answer will start with a denominator of 2. However, since we are subtracting 8a minus 2b, we are really going to have to distribute this negative over both of these terms. So this whole thing would simplify the numerator here. Again, everything's going to be over 2. We would have 8a plus 2b, and then we would distribute, so we'd have minus 8a, distribute again, plus 2b. So now I'd have 8a minus 8a, well they would cancel. 2b plus 2b would be 4b, so this would be 4b over 2, which would simplify to 2b. So the key here is when we are subtracting a binomial, we have to distribute the negative over both terms of the binomial and then combine like terms. Over here we have the same idea. We have two rational expressions with the same denominator. We're going to add them, and so we should be able to re-express them relative to that same common denominator. When we add these numerators, we're going to get 7y squared minus 7y. And realize that we can factor a 7y out of here. So this is really 7y times y minus 1 divided by y minus 1. Right? 7y times y is 7y squared. 7y times negative 1 is negative 7y. So now my y minus 1's cancel, leaving me with just 7y. So in each of these cases, we were able to hold the denominator. In the first case, all we had to do was combine the numerators, and we could not simplify. In the second case, we were subtracting and had to then distribute that negative sign, that subtraction, over both terms of binomial, then combine like terms, and then simplify. In the last case, we had to combine like terms and then factor the expression to be able to cancel factors and simplify.